How to change the password of your Discord account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can change the password of your Discord account. So in order to change the password of your Discord account, all you will need to do is first go to the Discord settings. To navigate to the Discord settings, click onto this gear icon that says user settings right here at the bottom. Once you click onto the user settings, you will be landed onto this my account option. Now from here, simply scroll a bit and you will see the password and authentication. To change the password, click onto this change password button. Now from here, a form will appear that you will need to fill. So in the first section, type in your current password and then type in the new password that you would like to change. So after typing in your new password, you will again need to type in the new password in order to confirm the new password. Now once you are done with this, simply click onto the done button, and depending upon your two-factor authentication, if it is enabled, you might also need to authenticate it via an OTP. And once you are done with this, your new password will be successfully reflected and will be used further. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.